How much energy is stored in a gummy bear? Today we're going to find out with the gummy bear sacrifice! So obviously when we eat gummy bears or any type of energy, it gets slowly digested by our stomach and either releases carbohydrates, proteins or fats, but obviously when it comes to gummy bears, it releases carbohydrates. Now today I thought we could do something fiery, something explosive, and find out exactly how much energy is stored in a gummy bear. To do that though, we're going to need a little bit of extra materials to do so. Now if we think about explosions or fire, let's think about our fire triangle. What do we need to create a fiery explosion? We need energy, that's our little gummy bear. We need heat, and we also need oxygen. So today I'm going to drop our little gummy bear here, this little gummy bear, into some potassium chlorate that's heated up. Now this is going to provide not only the heat, but also it's going to release a lot of oxygen, so this little gummy bear can release all of its energy in a really quick fashion. So let's go out the back, and it could get a bit explosive. Let's find out what's going to happen. All right, follow me. All right, now obviously this is a fiery explosion, so don't try this at home. We do it here at Street Science because we're trained professionals, and we do it so you don't have to. We've got everything we need to have the precautions ready just in case something goes a little bit crazy. So over here, you'll see we've got a bit of a setup where we have a test tube at a 45-degree angle, and we've got our potassium chlorate in the bottom. We're going to heat this up, and then we're going to drop our gummy bear in and see what happens. Well, there you have it. That is the gummy bear sacrifice. Imagine what would happen if you put all of that in there in one go, or even if you had one of those big 1.5 kilogram gummy bears. Luckily, we don't have potassium chlorate in our belly, because I know I get a little bit of a sore belly after having some sugar, but if that was in there, that might be a different story. That was the gummy bear sacrifice.